Look at this product. Just look at this product. Look at how it's cutting the cabbage. It makes your work way, way, way easy. Wow, look at the final product. Just look at this. Look at this. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nafula. So I received a product from Amazon. They sent me a product and then I'm going to show you how to use it. Usually I don't review a lot of products. People have tried to reach out to me, but I don't review a product until I try it and see if it works or not. So today I'm going to be reviewing this product, which is a slicer that you can use to cut up carrots, cabbage, and I'll be demonstrating how to use it. So this is the product, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the product itself. It comes, so this is what I use to cut up my vegetables. So it comes with an attachment, so this part comes off, so it's like this, and then to hook it up you just put it back together and it's ready to go. And then it comes with two attachments, so there's one like that, and then this is for carrots, like grating carrots. This is if you want finer stuff. And then there's this, and there's one more, so you can check it out. I'll put the link down below in this video, so if you want to buy the product, this is a promoted video, you can go ahead and click on the link on the video and then you can purchase the product. So we begin by just washing the cabbage. You just have to wash the cabbage, and then after you're done you put it there, and then that's the product. As you can see, it's very light, so not too heavy at all. So you start by cutting up the cabbage because you need to split it into two so that at least it's easier to work with. So usually just kind of cut it into two, so that way it's easy to handle. And then after that you just take that slicer and you just go back and forth, and that's all you do. And literally it will take you probably, I would say, a good 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes to cut up the whole cabbage. That's how this product works really good. Growing up in Africa, I wish I had a product like this. Like the way I suffered cutting cabbage with a knife, I'm really surprised that I still have some fingers left, because I literally cut my fingers every time I cut the cabbage because I hated cutting vegetables. And then I bumped into this product. I'm like, wait a minute. So this product has been existing for all this time and I wasn't aware about it. Trust me, if you get this product, it's going to save your life. Like if you're from Africa and you love cooking cabbage and eating it with ugali or rice or whatever, this is going to be easy, easy, easy. And look at the final product. Look at that. It does a very good job. It's so thinly sliced that it just absorbs the oil and the spices and everything. So you guys, you better get this product.